at a 60-degree angle. That enables my blood in my body to stay more stationary during high G loads and to be able to maintain consciousness. The first time I got in the airplane, this is really wild. It was intimidating. I was sitting back, seemed like I had my feet stuck straight in the air, and the stick was not where it was supposed to be, the throttle was not where it was supposed to be, the engine turned the other way, and it was massive airplane, it shook, and I was like, boy, what am I getting myself into here? So the first time I took off, if I just get this thing back on the ground, I'll be doing good.
Can I look through it?
With all the planes and team members on board,
look at that weirdo.
and all the other supplies.
It looks funny.
From here, they'll fly to Ramstein Air Force Base in Germany, where they'll upgrade their planes and
I'm
make
your
the
sister. Today, yeah. Why are you looking at me? Look at this.
Base at Saginaw Bay in Michigan.
It's part of my stealth bomber.
And building what could be America's answer to the Sukhoi. John Saudiker's S-300 series is
The
a
end.
collection of design
Don't
ideas
like.
as old as the Wright Flyer, as revolutionary as Russian Sukhoi.
When the throttle down here,
Oh, good. I got her off my tail. Let me look again.
you don't really have free
They're out here building a campfire.
Oh!
I got her poop.
Oh, I didn't know.
Ooh, bats.
Shield's gonna get ya. Hey, Mom, I just about hit one and it dodged it.
Is that gonna show up?
Hi.
Hi.
How you?
Fine.
Hi. Hi, I'm over here. Who's that? That's your ex-husband. Hey, I'm over here. Hi. Breakfast is over already. Come back, Betty. And then oh. Oh, you about nailed that. I about nailed that. Man. I got one more. Here he comes. Give me a coffee! Oh, it's Katie head! I almost hit one. I threw a lightning bug in the fire. Watch it. Oh, my. Oh,
Hey, don't hurt it. They catch mosquitoes.
and I'm glad. I'll be Grace if I had that. There's one.
Hey, Steven, you might not want to walk around in there. There might be poison ivy.
Might be poison ivy out there, guys.
Hey, here comes one. I got him. It's on my sight. Ow! Oh, I hit it! No, you did. I bet you did. Yeah, he says, hey, this is almost as fun. He hit the seagull. He's here's one! I'm not throwing it. And then back. Sheesh! I don't have one. Shish kebab. Hey, shish kebab. Oh. Hey, you gotta throw it in front of it. Yeah. Ah. Oh, there's one. Oh! Oh! I need to... Oh! Hurt my bad arm. This thing's always so... Oh, boy! Right on top of you!
The man and his fire.
Ow! Almost got his tail. Shush! She's kebab. Hey, this went down. This went down on here. No, he didn't. Yeah, I almost hit him.
Here, time to.
Where at?
Are you gonna want me to pick up Bree, or what's the deal?
No, I'll go get her.
I got rock. Yeah, you do.
What happened? My son got bats in the fire.